On the scale model, we were able to cut all the pieces out on the laser cutter, which was small sheets, and took a couple hours to cut out all the pieces. On the full-size version, it was about 30 hours of cutting, and other than that, it was exactly the same as building the small one, just a hell of a lot bigger. On the large version, we're using 4 foot by 8 foot sheets of 3/4 inch plywood, and in order to make it large enough to fit on the stage, we had to make some of the pieces that were actually larger than a sheet of plywood.
So what we did was we used half the thickness of the material and we half lapped everything. So when you do that, you can take an 8-foot piece, slide it over 4 feet, add it on, and then you have a 12-foot piece.
Well, we definitely knew that we needed to have a lot of hands to put this piece together. And so we drew on our members and on the culture surrounding the Fab Lab to get those people here participating and helping build the project. And it was great to have those people come and participate and be inspired.
So once we had all of the pieces laid out and in order, we were able to get people together to come out and help put it together. And so what you have to do is figure out the way that it goes. And so my role was basically to tell everyone where the puzzle pieces are and call all the puzzle pieces out and get people involved in putting all the puzzle pieces in. Some of the pieces are gigantic, so we need multiple people to lift them up and into the slots.
Fundamentally, it's digital fabrication. So from the very start, 3D modeling and then laser cutting and then finally CNC routing this out is core to the fabrication lab. That's what we're doing. But then the cultural aspect is the community behind it and collaboration and getting people to come and work together on a project and solve problems through one person saying, hey, how do we do this? And the other person having an idea and helping solve that problem, or maybe there's more than one person. That sort of open source feeling, that open source structure works for anybody.